Imagine this. You're on track to live your dream life. Your bank account is growing, you're free from money stress, and those financial goals, they're closer than ever. But here's the harsh reality. Most people never get there. They're stuck living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like they'll never break free. But that doesn't have to be you. Today, we're diving into 5 powerful steps to help you save money and start building a wealthier future right now. And wait until we get to step 4. It's the biggest financial game changer that most people ignore. The 5 steps to saving money and budgeting. 1. Track every dollar. Let's start with the foundation of any wealth-building plan, knowing exactly where your money goes. Tracking your spending might sound basic, but here's the truth. Most people think they know how much they're spending, but they really don't. There's a powerful psychology behind watching your dollars. It's like shining a flashlight on every hidden corner of your finances. Pick a simple tool, use a budget app, or even a notebook. At the end of each week, look at where your money went. You'll be amazed at what you find. And if you think you're not overspending, just wait until you see how much you spend on essential coffee. Next, let's talk about a trick that most wealthy people swear by, and it's all about setting the right goals. Point 2. Set specific financial goals. Now that you know where your money is going, the question becomes, where do you want it to go? Think about what you really want out of life. Maybe it's the freedom to travel without checking your bank balance. Or maybe it's knowing you're secure no matter what life throws at you. Start with what we call SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of, I want to save money, say, I'll save $5,000 in 12 months for a travel fund. This gives your money a purpose. It's no longer abstract. It's now something real you're building toward. And that brings us to budgeting, the tool that bridges where you are and where you want to be. Point 3, master your budget. If tracking is awareness and goals give you direction, then budgeting is the roadmap that actually gets you there. Now, budgeting doesn't mean turning into a miser. Don't worry. No one's saying you have to survive on instant noodles. One popular approach is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt. Tailor it to fit your life and your goals, but stick to a framework that helps you stay on track. Here's the scary part. If you don't budget, your money will always be in control of you. Every small purchase adds up, until you're left wondering why you can't seem to save. And that's why step 4 is critical. It's the single biggest move that separates wealthy people from those who never build any savings. Point 4. Automate your savings. Wealthy people don't rely on willpower. They set up systems that do the work for them. Without automation, it's just too easy to forget to save. Something urgent always comes up. A concert, a night out, or just sheer convenience. But what happens to those savings goals? They're the first thing to disappear. Set up automatic transfers so a portion of each paycheck goes directly into your savings account. You'll be surprised how quickly those deposits add up when you don't have to think about it. Plus, you won't have to feel guilty every time you treat yourself because your savings are already taken care of. It's like setting yourself up to be both the spender and the saver. Now, we're on to the final and most powerful step. This is where you create true wealth by making your money work for you. Point 5, invest in yourself and your future. Saving is great, but the real secret to building wealth is putting your money to work. It's not just about what you make, but what your money makes for you. Imagine waking up to see your investments have grown overnight. That's the thrill of having a passive income stream, and it's something anyone can start. If you're new to investing, start small. Explore a retirement account like a Roth IRA, or look into low-cost index funds. These options grow over time, even while you sleep, and are some of the safest ways to build wealth. Still nervous about investing? Here's a question. Can you afford not to let your money grow? Because if you're serious about achieving financial freedom, the work doesn't end here. It's only the beginning. So let's recap. First, track where your money's going. Then, set goals, budget, automate, and finally, invest in yourself. Each of these steps brings you closer to financial freedom and the life you've imagined. It's not about luck, and it's not about income. It's about choices. Today, you're setting yourself up for a wealthier, more fulfilling future. If you're ready to take control, hit that subscribe button, and let's keep building toward a life of wealth together. Your financial journey starts now. Don't wait to get started. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest financial goal this year? Let's make it happen.